Ready to turbocharge your video ads in a snap? Let's uncover 3 sizzling tips to optimize your video campaigns. Tip number 1, spot on targeting. Ensure your video ads reach the right eyes by finishing your targeting. Define your audience meticulously. Consider demographics, interests, and behaviors. Dive into Google Ads audience insights and build a profile that resonates with your brand and offerings. Remember, a well-targeted ad is a well-received ad. Tip number 2, engaging storytelling. Your video content needs to pop. Start with a bang, ignite curiosity, and sustain it. Employ storytelling that resonates, visuals that dazzle, and ensure your message is crisp and clear. Whether it's emotion, humor, or inspiration, make them feel something and anchor that feeling to your brand. Tip number 3, strategic CTA. Don't just tell your story. Guide viewers to the next chapter. Implement a CTA that's clear, compelling, and irresistibly clickable. Whether it's to learn more, shop now, or subscribe, ensure it's aligned with your video content and drives viewers smoothly along their journey. And there you have it, 3 blazing tips to set your video ads ablaze. Consistently refine, regularly measure, and keep your content freshly invigorating. Buckle up, marketers. It's time to create video ads that don't just play, they pay. Until next time, keep those ads rolling and goals scoring. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like for more videos like this one.